I'm a full stack web developer, both mean and MERN stacks. I teach here React, Angular, uh, you know, kind of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I will also teach here the databases and the backend, Node and Express. Now, in this particular class, we are going to discuss I will tell about resumes. I will tell about what is a good portfolio. I will tell about how to make it a good thing into companies. Let's try, sir. Voice issues are coming. Let's check it. Sorted. Is it issue sorted now? Yeah. It's good. It's clear now, I think. Okay, better now. That was nice then. Better. Okay. Now, let's start today with this thing. Let me start with a simple story. Every class I love to start with the stories. Let me start with a simple story. There was a guy named John. There was a guy named John. John applied. John was a fresher. John is fresher. He wants to apply for companies. John applied so many courses. John applied so many courses. Now, but still, like he applied so many things. He applied so many jobs. He tried to apply it so many things, but still he get replies zero. Do you know that? Do you know there will be some people who apply it so many companies who will go to LinkedIn and they will click it every time, easy apply every time, and they will go to Naukri, they will apply everything, but still there will be replies zero. Can anyone guess what is the reason why John will get zero replies? Why do you think the John will get zero replies? Any guess? Someone computer rejected. I don't think so. See, mostly imagine you go to imagine you are going somewhere. You are having some dress. Like for example, you are going to a party. In parties, you will have a dress like a nice kind of, nice kind of party dress. You will have it like some t-shirts or some kind of glowing one, some kind of bright ones you will wear for parties. Imagine you are going to some kind of festivals. In Gar, in home you are having a festivals one. What about that? Do you think the same dress code you will go, whatever you will go for pub and you will go to the festival, the same dress? And when you are going for some kind of, funerals, you are going, do you wear the same, chunky dresses for funerals? Obviously, no. Okay. So everywhere you will wear different dresses, and the dress, see, obviously your dress doesn't represent you, but still people see your dress and they will judge you. Same way, people see the resume. People see the resume. Resume is your presentation, your presentation of you to the company. Company don't know anything about you. You may be hard worker person. You may be so knowledgeable person. Company don't know anything. How do the company will know that? Sir, I am 100% hardworking person, sir. Company don't know that. Company knows only one thing. Company knows it that you have a resume and they will read that resume. In resume, if you mention it something John, they will think it like you are John only. In the resume, however they believe it, in the same way they will do this. Okay. And that representation, like in BTech colleges, people will say it like usually in degrees and all. They will say a single paper can't decide my future, something kind of quotation people will use. One paper, how it will decide. Whenever we get it less marks, we do that. But actually, one paper decides your future, sir. That is your resume, isn't it? That resume is the basic one. A single Word document. Your certificates are not much important. Your resume is, because other people want to know about you. That single paper obviously will decide you. Okay. Then how to make that resume into better? That we will discuss. We will discuss it like how do you make it like perfect resume so that others will get impressed. This is all about how to make that HR impress with your resume. It's not all about honesty. It's not all about your talent. It's not all about your skills. Sir, I'm a full stack Java developer. That doesn't mean whether you are a full stack Java developer or Python developer. Your resume says what it is and who you are. I will give you good examples. I will give you bad examples also on the resume. Is this clear, ma? Is this clear till now? Yeah, very good. Good. Most people were there. Now, next. Now, let's start with this. What is it mean by ATS? Everyone have seen this. I think in the poster itself, it was clearly mentioned. What is it mean by ATS? I will clear out all your doubts also. Don't worry. Anyone have it an idea? What is it? Application tracking system. Good. Application tracking system is a software application tracking system. Sir, why you are learning this application tracking system is this is a software that mostly HRs use. Okay, this HRs uses this particular software. They used by companies to streamline their to streamline their hiring process. See, companies can't sit and see all your resumes. They can't be like, okay, see this guy's resume, see this guy's resume. They can't read every resume. Okay. Now when they are like when they see your resume, they can't point it out like one by one by one by one. So they are like they built one system, one simple software. You give that software one particular resume, and the software will give certain score. And based on that score, people will select, oh, these people are having good scores. Then only that resumes I will see. Remaining resumes will be under the trash. Simple. Everywhere, whatever you send is only important. Do you think you are alone in the world who sent it to you like and get it very minimal? No. Do you know there is one famous institute named MIT? Have you ever known this MIT institute in the world? That is one of the famous institute where big people will study. Yeah, Massachusetts. Now you know this MIT institute. How many people this MIT institutes? How many people will apply per year? Per year applications applicants. Now it will here see this is a in this 29,000 they almost kind of only 1,000, and this 129,000 is something kind of applications only. When you go for the test one, they will have their basic things and a test. They will have more than that. Okay, more than 40,000, 50,000 applications. And this 29,000 are not small people. Those people are literally the scientists who also receive some good prizes. There are certain cases where the scientists who already achieved big prizes also will not get it a chance there. Okay, what do you think they will select? Do you think they will select it by calling that person and talking to that person? No, they will select it based on their particular what they receive. They will receive a mail, they will receive a color letter, they will receive an application. Not only ATS score, they will check it, but some rules will be there. Every company, when they are hiring, every school or every organization, every companies, anywhere you go, they will check you not based on who you are, based on what you sent them. Simple. They will see your mail and they will judge it. They will see your mail and they will judge it. And that particular one, to judge this, companies actually streamlined a simple software called ATS. This software, this software will judge you. But interestingly, how do you make it software? You all know, na? You all are software engineers only, right? At least I hope so. You all are software engineers. And every software, people will make some conditions, isn't it? Yes, Rohit Sharma, it's correct online. How do you make it one software? Like, sir, how do the software will know? Will the software can see you? No, software cannot see that resume. Software will check some points. Software will be like, okay, they will have one conditions. If they have this keyword, give me 10 points. If they are not having, give these keywords, subtract 10 points. If they have this particular letters, give 10 points. If they have any mistakes, minus 5 points. Like that, someone will give some rules. When they give certain rules, only the software work. If the software, if they don't have any logic, how would they will automatically get the score? They can't give randomly order, right? Now today what I will tell you, as a software engineer myself, okay, i will give you I will give you what is that software logic. SKB, I didn't understand online what you are saying it. I will tell you today. If you are from other backgrounds also, I understand. I'm just giving you a general perspective. If you are a software one or another person, everything will have, see, whether you are a software person or anywhere, understand software works with some conditions. Some rules will be there for a software. Those logic, they call it as logic. Those logic I will tell you. I will tell you like, sir, this particular ATS software will use these rules. Then you are like, you should apply those rules into your application. Automatically your application will have, or your resume will have more ATS score. And that is our process. Okay. Now let's start. Now let's go here. Freshers need freshers need to have need to have good score, good score with ATS. Why? Why only freshers, sir? Why not seniors are not applied in it? Actually, seniors also they will check it the ATS score. But the problem is there are lot of freshers. Freshers are not one, two. There are so many. So many applications are completing. So many so many freshers are coming. When multiple freshers are coming, they need to sort it out. For this, they need it for filtration. ATS score is mandatory for them. I will tell about, see, this particular workshop is for not only freshers, but I'm telling it, it's mandatory for freshers. Okay. Now let's see, sir, any ATS software, what it will have. First one, key elements in a ATS ATS friendly resume. If you are want to make, if you want to make ATS friendly resume, you want to make ATS friendly resume. Now let's check it, sir. Here, let's check it here. What is the first thing you should consider? First thing you should consider keywords. First thing you should consider is keywords. What keywords you should consider to make it into your resume better? Okay. Online, someone whoever asking it like the average goods ATS score and all, I will tell you, ma, don't worry. When we come to the average score, I will tell you. And we think like every human is different. We think it like, no, no, each and every HR, it depends on HR mood, it depends on something, something. But it's not. It's not. Even though HRs are different human beings, even though each HR, huh? చెప్తాను సార్ మధ్యలో సార్ good. Even though each HR is different human being, everyone expects some basic things. Okay, first one is keywords. How to make a good keywords in your resume. First one, read, read what what is given in the job description. I will give you examples also. Online, don't get diverted. Some people were going from one question to another question. Don't give direct diverted. Just read it, understand it. First, read the job description well. Okay, and every job description will have certain keywords. Okay, and incorporate those keywords, those keywords like those keywords like skills, skills, tools, description or qualifications, qualifications, qualifications in throughout your resume. So in your resume, wherever you want it, like everywhere, put these things. See, this is the problem with most people. Freshers or most people, what it will do, they will apply same resume with everyone. And that's what I told you. You can't wear same dress to multiple occasions. When you are going to different things, you will wear different dresses, isn't it? The same way, you should share, you should share for different job applications, different resume. Sir, how many job applications I have to change? How many resumes? That's what people will think. But believe me, the trick is per day, five. Try only, only per day, per day, five. Five resumes and take take 10 minutes, 10 minutes for each resume. For each resume, take 10 minutes. So 10 minutes you will make the resume and you will apply it. So that how many your resumes you will apply per day? Five. How many resumes you will apply per day? Five. Like that you will apply it per day. That means in 30 days, in a month, imagine you apply it on every day. You apply it on every day. Per day 5 on 30 days, you will apply it 150 quality resumes. That means, see, you are not applying it, you are not applying it randomly. You are applying 150 quality resumes. Quality resumes means those resumes are prepared only for that particular job description, isn't it? Pakka you will get a job. That is simple. But freshers do it in reverse. They are like, they are lazy. They are like just apply, 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 apply. They just click only apply. They are like apply, upload resume, apply, upload resume. Why? In some people were like they already have it. They use it something LinkedIn. They use it something in a kind of other things. So automatically they will put it. I want you to change in the resumes. So every time change the summary. That summary or career objective or whatever you will put it now, change it. Every time change the skills. Or if you have it experience section, if you have it, change it. If you don't have experience section, change it projects. Projects or experience. I am saying it every time, different resume, same format. Format is same. Same format every time based on the job description. This is one of the good tip which most people don't give you. Like, let me show you practically, sir. Sir, let me show you practically. Job description, like I will go here Naukri, go here Naukri. In Naukri, I will be like search for something Python developers. Sir, there is no rule like you can use it for Java or Python. Just because I search for Python, there is no Java, nothing like that. And I will use for something called freshers and your wish. There is no rule like I'm searching for only freshers and all. Okay. Now, I will tell you the structure also. Don't worry. Structure is last. I will tell you. What is the structure, what we should put and all. I will tell you last. Don't worry. First, I am giving you the basic things which are needed for understanding theoretically. Then, after theory, I will build one resume with you and we will see it like ATS course and all. Then we will update it. Then we will go for the, I will give you the ideal templates. Is this clear, ma? That was what our course is for today. Now, okay, someone is hiring. Dekho, go here. Read this. Global Healthcare Billing Partners is looking for passionate and skilled Python developer. Okay, I am a passionate and skilled Python developer in that case. Freshers and candidates to join our dynamic team. This is an excellent opportunity. Something, something, something. Kick off, start their career in software development. Next, experience 0 to 4. Full time, bachelor degree in computer science or IT or related field. Degree completion mandatory. Developer test, maintain Python based applications and write clean, efficient, reusable code following the industry best practices. Collaborate with cross functional teams to understand project requirements. Stay updated with the latest Python technologies and frameworks. Skills, strong knowledge of Python and a basic understanding of Power BI and familiarity with Django and all. So if you are passionate coding, let's try it then. So in that cases, you should create a such a summary. When you see the resumes like that, so you are like, okay, now my summary is passionate and creative Python developer with with great knowledge on what is my responsibility, develop, test, maintain Python code applications, and write clean and efficient code, and strong knowledge on Python and basic understanding of Power BI, with great knowledge on Python and Power BI, Python and Power BI, Power BI. I have done 3+ projects on, I have done 3+ projects on Zango. What is that? What is that? Zango Flask, Zango with SQL, SQL, SQL. Love to join a team where I can learn more and be great. Said. Now everyone see this logic. Everyone see this logic. I have made it a simple summary, but do you think this summary will be okay for Java developer? Do you think this summary is okay for React developer? I know React, I know Python. So can I apply it directly Python or this one with React one? No, obviously. So and I prepared it. I know that. I know these guys know I wanted a strong knowledge on Python Power BI. I know these guys wanted Django and Flask. I know this guy wants SQL. I know this guy wants it something testing and all. So I will combine, and this guy is looking for something called passionate and skilled Python developer. So mostly I tried it. Here I never used any kind of experience. Did I put it any experience here? No. All are freshers here. That's why I put it here a fresher one. If you are experienced one, put it experience. I have done 3 projects. That is projects I have done. I have not put any experience here. This is the object summary or career objective or whatever people call it in the starting one. See, if you are applying for big companies, na, ATS score will be there. If you are applying for chota companies, the chota companies HRs only will read. But HR also don't know anything. See, HRs and ATS software are basically same. Why? Because HRs don't know anything. They are like they will already know this. HR don't know what is Django, what is Flask. Okay, one HR literally asked me, like, I said it, I'm a React.js developer, and I explained all the React.js one, and then she asked me, do you know CSS? And that was real actually. Are you getting my point? So HRs is like whatever the technologies are here, those technologies names only they will know. They don't know what's the use of that. They were like, okay, it's like if you say it like I can build Python application also, they will like, what is HTML, do you know, that kind of thing, because they don't know the exact words, so they know only words. They will ask that, and that's why using those words create it. Using those words create the summary. Is this clear? Ma online how to create summary? Online, are everyone clear with the summaries one? We are doing it like in the live only. I'm doing it. Okay. Someone is like, show my resume. I didn't have any resume now because I'm not any kind of shifting the job. Freshers, see, understand it. If you are in a company, you don't make resumes. When you want to shift your company or something kind of one, you will do this resume. My resume is too old. Now, next. If they provide requirements, we can. But what if the sort of engineers required? See, if someone is saying it like we don't want it any kind of uh requirements, they are like, if they say it like only if they say it like we want it only kind of engineer something kind of one, that means that company is fake. Simple. They are like software engineer, come and join. They are fake. I can say that. Why? Because no company will just ask you to join without the proper, uh, you know, without the proper kind of thing, like whatever the job description, JD. Next one, sir. I hope everyone are okay with this keyword bus. Second one, after the keywords, after the keywords, keywords. Second one, format. Now people are like, what kind of format you have to put? Sir, what to put starting, what to put ending, what to put it what sections are kind of things. Okay, we will discuss one by one. First point, basic format. Now tell me, how did you guys make your resume? Did you downloaded your resume from the online? Did you guys downloaded your resumes from the online? Most of the people who downloaded from the online are having problem in their ATS course in real world. You know why? Because your ATS course, especially Canva, don't use it. The one which you can avoid is Canva. Why? Because ATS course cannot use big fonts. You should use simple fonts. Simple fonts. Simple fonts. You can prepare it in Word document like Times New Roman, or Arial. Okay, simple fonts will be there. Times New Roman or Arial or some kind of basic things. Okay, Saris or Calibre or something kind of one. Okay, mostly some ATS softwares cannot able to find it. And second thing, you should also think about sizes, font sizes, font sizes. If I go here, if I take it here, if I take it here, any kind of resumes, now HRs don't know anything. HRs don't know anything. HRs are like, oh, this one, some font. Imagine the heading is in one font, this is in another font, this guy is in another font. Will it be good? No, no. Some people are like having different kinds of colors also. They put it different colors. I was actually kind of shocked to have it like big colors. Use it chota simple colors. That was okay. Some people are having multicolor. I have seen black color background, white color text in some resume, which was like, I was like, what? Some persons put it like multiple colors, rainbow colors also in their resume. They just want to make it like something good. And it's not actually. HRs will care about. They are like our English teachers, HRs. So like our old English teachers, they will think about how much font size, what kind of font family, are they having same font size or not, same line gap or not, same letter gap or not. They will check that. They will check that. And believe me, that one will be very good. Online, are you getting my point, ma? This point is very important. One more time, this point is very important. Always you should make it your resume everything same format, same font, same format, same font, and line gaps. How do I do that? Go to Word documentary. Word document is the best tool ever invented for the resumes. Learn a Word document. It is not a big deal to learn this Word documents to do something kind of fun. Okay, it's not something too scary to do Word document. If you do Word document, you will understand it like how to put it the sizes and all. They will have basic size. Check about the font family, sizes, justifications, line heights, and what about the letter spacings, all the things. Check it. Don't give any references, don't give it any kind of what I can say, different colors. Both sizes matters. Sizes always matters to me. Okay, in templates it won't work. Most of the templates it won't work. See this here. Happy Valley summer camp is one experience that guy put. Hudson Valley also they put. They both should be in same size. And work experience is something bigger, so it should be in something different format, at least capital letters. And people will think it like, "Arey, ye chota thing," but that is very bada thing. Especially software, it's very big. Why? Because softwares don't know. Softwares will think it like, "ये अलग है, ये अलग चीज है," they will just ignore it only. Are you getting my point, sir? Online? Yeah. Good. Good. Next, third point. We will consider all these points while making it. Third point, sections. What sections we need to put, sir? Some people will say put this section, some people will say that put that sections. Okay, you forgot about whatever section you put, that was okay. ATS software will not care about sections. ATS mostly care about section ka titles. Use proper titles, proper titles per sections. Someone is asking what is the font size should be. If I have to suggest you font size, go with the format at 1214. 1214 is the biggest one. For second format one, make it the body as 12 size or 10. Go with 12 or 10 and make it sheer the 14 as a bigger one. It depends on your matter also. Sometimes to make it the adjust the matter, you can just adjust the things, but make it uniformity. Okay, we have to write it in one size. If you write it in different sizes, it's wrong. Headings एक size होता. All headings one size, all big headings another size, all paragraphs one size, all headings bold, all normal references like addresses and all italic. That is a basic format which we will learn in our kind of fourth class, fifth class. They will tell you how to write leave letter. They will tell you on format. They will make you type it in the same format one. Okay. Resume, when it comes to resume, it doesn't matter one page or two page. People were like, sir, resume one page only, sir, resume two page only. No, resume two page is also good, one page is also good, but it should look good. Why I hate Canva is Canva will give you different formats. In Canva formats, if anyone downloaded, when you convert into Word document, it looks something weird. Okay. and your wish. See, you can give highlights also. That one I love. If anyone, see, for example, I want to highlight only here I wanted to highlight only this particular part. You can highlight it. Highlight is good. Don't highlight with the marker or something kind of one. Highlight with a different font. Make it big font. Okay, good. Third point, sections. Don't highlight with yellow. Just make it like bold, simple. Just bold. Now, section ka titles. Why different people uses different titles? I don't know why. If you go here, see, the titles were very simple. Education is education, work experience, something like leadership, skills and interests. The titles should be very simple. When titles were confusing, na, people like your resume will be like, "Chhod do," they will just leave it only. Some confusing titles will be there. Some people will put it like whatever the titles they want, and those things should not be there. You should put a title something relevant. It should not have some kind of ambiguity. Like I will say education. If you want to go more detail, education details kind of thing. Skills, projects. That was good. Now next one. We are learning all these steps so that it will help us to make it, and then we will make it. Now, good. By the way, everyone, just for some people who are worrying in online, in YouTube, there is a channel Naresh IT which you can subscribe. Why? Because after this particular class, now after today, this course will be uploaded into the Naresh IT YouTube channel. Okay. Even my previous ones are there in the Naresh IT YouTube channel. You can go there and subscribe so that you will get it in the whatever the other things were there. My previous workshops or everything will be there. You can get it those things. If you subscribe there, you can get it a notification and all. Just do those things. Like you can even get it into Insta, which you can see the link, which you can go to the NareshIT Insta also. Yeah. Now, next. I'm telling very minute things. Slowly we will go to bigger things. File type, size same is matter. It is very matter. Size is same, 100%. Headings and matter not same. Soda big. Okay. Now next one, sir. File type. What is the file type? What is the type you guys are going with, sir? PDF. Perfect. PDF or docs. Any other format is wrong. Any other format is wrong. You go with PDFs or docs. It will go with the file types. Okay. And grammatic mistakes, grammar mistakes. And see, when Google is there, when internet is there, imagine some HR just to find grammar mistakes in your resume. How much bad it would be? Because HRs are like your English teachers. Okay. You should first, sir, whatever you type it, just type it in the Grammarly or something kind of tools where you will get it a grammar check. Na? Once you get a clear clarity, there are no typo mistakes. Make sure there are no typos. See, mostly people make sure there are no typos. Mostly the biggest problem is some people just give the template. Na, there will be typing mistakes, typos. I don't want any typos. Like simple typing mistakes also, I don't want it. Are you getting my point, sir? And the more, see, if you use the tools like Grammarly, I suggest you to use like Grammarly. Why? Because, sir, maybe our English is having good kind of good whatever we spoke, whatever we have entered one. Maybe it's good, but we want it to be strong. We want it make it too strong. See, like when we say it like whatever the sentences they say, they will make it like more kind of perfect, more kind of formal, more kind of interesting one. And those things can be done with the Grammarly. Try with that one. Automatically make your code whatever, use some kind of strong verbs, not something very normal verbs. Okay, instead of using I am very good, instead of that, use it instead of very good. There will be some kind of excellent kind of things were there, instead of very sad or kind of things depressed or something. Don't use chat GPTs. The internet is filled with virus which is called the GPT's AI currently. Use GPT AI to learn, not to copy paste it. Okay. Now now good. Next. Now comes to the next part, sir. What did we discuss till now? We discussed what is ATS. Then we discussed keywords, like key elements. In the key elements, I discussed keywords, formats, sections, and all. Next one after this, typo is what? Typo means typing mistake. Typo means typing mistake. Typing mistake. Sir, by using AI tool, can ATS detect? No, ATS cannot detect ATS tool, AI tool, 100%. But there are something AI detectors, AI checkers are there. If company uses it, it would be very bad. Now use something human touch, Ray. Now, good. Next, sir, let's start here. What were the things you need to include? What were the things you need not to include? Let me start here. What were the things you need to include? From starting, I will tell you. Okay. From starting, I will tell you what were the things you need to include, what were the things you shouldn't include. This is your resume. This is the top section, which most people might see. Now, in this section, in this section, now I'm telling you very honestly some basic things which you can observe. Okay. Now, first one, basic format. Give your name here, basic format. Your name, your name, some title, small title. Title is like Prasad. My name is Durga Prasad, passionate Python developer or full stack Python developer. Okay. Like that, I should give some title to Meena. And see this. Why this one is not coming correctly? Let me open it here, whiteboard. Then now go here. Now in your resume, on top section, keep it here, your name. On top, keep it here, your name. Now after the name, give some gap and all. Give it some title, small title. Title should be of small, like small format kind of thing. Why sizes are not there? Cha. Like this. I have to make it. And then next, your address. You can put it here, your address and your contact. Your contact address, contact. Last but not least, you need to give your social medias like GitHub, LinkedIn, or whatever the other websites you wanna give. Uh, if any lead code or something kind of one is there, you can try it. If any other thing is there, only give it. If you are not there, no need to give it. Now, if you show only icon, see, if you show icons are also enough to me. If you show it like complete one also enough to me. This is one format. This is one format. There is another format where people will put, there is another format where people will put all the name, title, address, they will put it left side and they will put it here, right side, their picture. Or some people will be like keeping the picture also in the center with this one. You can follow any of the pattern, but name should be there and small title should be there, address should be there, contact should be there, and give here the social medias. And if I have to suggest it, if you have really professional picture, really professional smiling picture, the smiling picture bole to by seeing that picture you should get a positive vibe. The moment you see that picture, your mind should be like, ha, this is the picture I'm looking it for, like this guy is perfect kind of thing. The moment they should see the picture, they should feel like that. Okay, normally in posters and all, people will do this now. Normally in posters, for any kind of posters, they will do this now. Kind of nice girl, something kind of a picture will be there. That particular picture they will put it. You can put it if you are having a nice picture like that. You will put name. Small title means like a caption. Like for example, Prasad is my name. Small title is like the Python full stack developer, React JS full stack developer, senior front end developer. Like that, you need to write it. Is this clear, ma? Again, I'm telling it, picture is not mandatory. I told you two scenarios. Without picture, everything centered. With picture, left and right. And everything is your wish. And it's your wish. Good. Next section. Here, mostly people will start with something called career objective. Okay. Career objective. Career objective. And career objective or summary, whatever you call it. Career objective or summary, whatever you call it. This career objective should be based on the job description. You see this, how I created career objective? Everyone see, how did I create this career objective? I read the job description. In the job description, whatever the skills are there, whatever the requirements are there, those requirements it will check. How these ATS softwares work, these ATS softwares, you should give some keywords. Like for example, I give ATS software, Spring Boot, MVP, Python, Django. Then all the resumes where it will have Spring Boot, Python, Django, those things it will select. When they select now, the resumes with all having it like the resume with having all of the keywords will be taken first one. Whatever the resumes having one or two will be taken last. The resumes with none will not even given only. So I wanted to put my resume on the top. Then how do I have to give? I have to give all these particular keywords, and I will make sentence with that keyword only. You have to make it your summary according to the different job roles. Every resume you should make different summary. Is there anyone tried that technique? Till anyone till now tried this technique of making different job descriptions based on job description different summary? Then everyone is saying it no. Only one person said it yes, that was really good. So remaining people, believe me ma, it will work. Dekho, one way or another way, you should make the people connect to your resume. Like HRs will be so much tired. I know so many HRs. They are like morning to evening. We have to see so many resumes. Array, I'm tired. Imagine they see the resume on the moment, first description only, they are having all the technologies they want, they have it name. Then they are like, yes, this is the candidate I'm looking for. They don't know about you. They are like, ah, this is the candidate, because they don't need to check everything. Now, next one. When to use summary and when to use, अरे both are same रे, different name, that's it. Summary और career objective दोनों same है, खाली नाम different है. Okay. Now, next one. Whole body is same. No, everything will change. Not only career objective, I will tell you, but career objective I'm telling as an example. If we don't have that particular skill, still we can write it. That, believe me, if you don't have particular skill, do you think I have this experience with the Python one? I don't know Python only, man. Python is mostly mathematics. I don't go with that. But I will write it. If I want that job, I will write it. Simple. Okay. Next. After this. Okay. After this. How to write summary in different way. That is what I showed you now earlier. Read the job description. How do you write it? If you want it like one more job description also, I can see it. See, go here. Go to Naukri. Online. See it practically, ma. Understand it practically. Go to websites like Naukri, and if I wanted something like not Python, if I say Java, why it is not coming? Naukri, Google only not coming. Online is my voice is clear, ma? Ah, then why it is not coming? Seriously, DNS not found. है क्या बोल रहे हैं? Seriously, shit. Why this thing is working like this? Ah, it's coming now. Now go here. Now go here. Slow networks. Now go here. Java. Now read it here. I wanted a fresher one. If you are a fresher or experienced, both are same. You should read the job description. See Java developer job openings. Now see this one. We are looking for freshers who made as Java developers with OOPS concept for our Indian clients. With this 100% fake. You won't get anything. This is waste of time. If you apply it also, it's waste of time. So go here, go here. I would love to read this. So why it is waste of time? Because that guy is directly telling it. That guy is telling it, this one, kind of this many are there and all. Why did you say waste of time? Once again, I that's what I'm telling now. They directly told. They are like, see, read the description. When you read the description, you will tell. The moment you read it, you will tell. See, we are looking for freshers who are ready for job, who are ready to work as a Java developer. That's it. They don't tell it like job description, they don't tell it like requirements, they don't have any kind of responsibilities. They are like, okay, you are Java developer, come, we will take. And that's why, see, with the OOPS concept, OOPS is the first lesson in any JavaScript. So it's like they are like, anyone will apply. See how many people applied. And it's not good. 100%. It won't give you good. Are you getting my point, ma? But you know how the freshers will apply? They are like, chod do, I am blind, so I will directly click on here, login. That's it, apply. They are just blind only, most of the freshers. Okay. Now go here. We will go here. I will read it here. The job description. I will read it, sir. Key responsibilities: develop, test, maintain high performance Java applications, write clean and efficient code and all. Okay, okay, normal. Proficient in core Java and good understanding of collections, multi-threading, exception handlings, and Java 8 features. So familiarity with SQL and database concepts, knowledge of Spring Boot microservices or HTTPS, and then any graduate from Java or something kind of one. So let's go here. Candidates eager to work in startup environment and contribute to innovative projects. So now you can try it. Now, how do you try this particular one? If you wanted to apply in this particular one, sir, you have to write it a job description like mm, summary. Um, I'm a full stack Java developer, Java developer with great knowledge on multi-threading, threading, SQL, oops, something kind of one. Okay. And developed some projects. You should write it like I have done some projects on this particular one. I love to work with the teams. I love to work with the team wherever I can get it more kind of scope and all. And you will also mention projects now. In that projects also you will mention only these technologies. Only these technologies. You will not go with any another. Automatically you will get it. So like that you should write your descriptions or summary. Next, after this summary, what is the next section do you think the people will get it? The after the summary, sir, people will get it something called education. Okay. Now, sir, if you are experienced person, put your experience over the education. If you are experienced person, put the experience, not the education one. After the career objective, first career objective, then next experience or education Sir, if you are having any freelancing experience, also mention that freelancing experience. It doesn't matter which experience you have. It matters. Listen, if you are having no experience, go with education. Kuch nahi hota. Format only matter. Are you getting my point, ma? So you should write it here. You should write it here. Your experience or the education one. If the experience is not related to the job, don't mention it. It's waste of time. Just mention it only if it is related one. Now here I have education one. I will write it about my education and all the things. What was the education format? Education, if it is in a table, it's okay. If it is non-tabular one also, it would be fine. Actually, modern ATS scores are good with non-tabular instead of tabular. In olden times, people used to go with the table for education. But now non-tabular ones are also actually good. Are you getting my point, ma? And here in education, what you will mention is 100% you should mention some few things. There are some few things which you will mention, few things which you don't mention. Your college, your course, your year, passed out year, your percentage. If your percentage is great, then only mention it. If your percentage is not great, don't mention it. If you don't mention it, okay. If your percentage is great, then only mention it, else don't mention it. And most people, how negligent they are. How do they think people will write it? What about 85% is higher, someone is answering, asking. 85% is so good. Now anyway, some people are so negligent. Do you know how they will write it? I have seen some resumes. There they were like, okay, uh, my college, something, degree, XYZ college, 52 percentage, then enter, like that they will write. Is it good? Like what is that college? What did you studied? What did you get? Nothing. They're like, okay, give the, and also you should give top to bottom. Education order should be higher to lower. Like highest degree should be top, like your BTech or your engineering or whatever it is. Okay. If your percentage is in different background also, high percentage, just mention it. Just mention it. Okay. It doesn't matter. 70 percentage is according to me good rate. 65 is also good. But less than 65, I don't recommend you to write it. If you are having less than 65, don't write it. Like for example, I have 64.76 बोले तो write it रे कुछ नहीं होता 65 write it. Hey, see, I think maybe here all people are so good people. I don't know you. Do you guys know how to lie, ma? Do you guys know how to lie? अरे just करो रे. देखो मेरा परसेंटेज आई विल टेल यू मेरा परसेंटेज 59.41. नहीं नहीं आई विल टेल 60.41 सिंपल. एटलीस्ट 60 परसेंटेज आता ना. 1 percentage I will only increase myself. Believe me, they don't ask you certificate. They don't ask you certificate. Believe me. Okay, this is resume. Resume is not about honesty. Resume is for impressing the people. Are you getting my point, ma? When you go to the when you go and have a nice dress, maybe I wear a nice white dress. I wear a nice dress, white dress, and I went to a party. That doesn't mean my heart is white. Maybe I'm really black guy what in heart, but still I wear white so that the people will impress. Simple. It's not faking. So someone whoever saying jhoot bolo, no. Jhoot now nako bolo. Don't tell any lie. Just to show some kind of trick. This is just a trick. Okay. First of all, HRs don't believe everything what you write it in the resume. It's like a fable story. I don't believe in Harry Potter, but I love to read it. Your resume is also like that to me. Your resume should look like that Harry Potter story. They don't they doesn't mean to be real. Are you getting my point, ma? It should impress. That's it. खाली impress करना है. That doesn't okay. Good. I think some people in the online get different view. Just because impress, you should not put 99 percentage. That's wrong. If you put it, people will not at all come. That is wrong. Next, second one. After the education, skills, skills. Some people are like, what was the skills they will put? I will show it like some resumes. I will show you some resumes. Like this is a simple discussion kind of therapma. See, I will show you some resumes I have seen somewhere. Where is this resume? Not this or somewhere I have seen. Don't know where it is there. Not this, not this, not this. Where did I have seen? Someone told me Ramesh or Suresh or something kind of their resume. There, see, mostly why I'm thinking about these resumes are like r- some people will put the resumes now everything they want. They are like resumes, they will put whatever the skills they want. They put whatever the skills they want. Simple. Amirpet whole brochure they will write it. They will be like, what are your skills? Python, they are like Django, they are like, Spring Boot, they are like, some people will write topic names also. I have seen one React JS resume. They are like writing the topic names of in the resumes also. Why? Why I need it? At least it makes sense when you are going with something backend one, but doesn't make it sense any sense. Some person will write it like HTML, whatever they know, CSS, JavaScript, Python. They write 100 skills for one simple job, which is a HTML job based on the JD. Now, sir, again, I'm telling you, not only career objective, skills also I should change. Now, according to my job description, now everyone see what are the skills I should put. I should put it here. I should put it here. Skills, core Java, collections and all. I don't put it. I will put it in the project. I don't write it here. Spring Boot, microservices, REST API, SQL, okay, HTML, CSS, and are all basic things. Try to do it. Are you getting my point, ma? If you don't know JD, you can't apply for a job. So just you have to write it one by one by one. You need to give. Full schooling need to be included 12th and 10th. Put it रहे कुछ नहीं होता. Then next, can we give fake skills? Ah, कुछ नहीं होता. Skills are for fake only. Say, अरे who will give score for skill? You can put it, but put it something related. See, I am not telling about honesty. This class is not at all about honesty. You put skills which are fake. Means, for example, I'm applying Java. In that Java developer, I don't know Spring Boot. I will put it Spring Boot because they want Spring Boot. But in interview, they will ask, sir. Yes, they will ask, Ray, but at least they will call for interview, na. Resume is not about selection and getting the job. Resume is about getting a call. Are you getting my point, ma? Are you getting my point, ma? People who are thinking it like we should not fake the resumes, understand it. First, you should go inside. Once you go inside, you will work, you will learn. Believe me, every person who go to the water, two things will happen. Either they will learn swimming or they will die. Simple. You go to the company, come, join our company, join in some company. Simple. You will learn it, Ray. This is not a big deal. You will learn 9 months in NareshIT, whatever you learn in 9 months. That 1 month in real work, you will get it. Because they will make you work. They will say it like if you don't work today evening, we will fire you. Then you will work. You will learn. No need to separate the technical things and all. Write it only tech skills. Non-technical skills are not considered skills only, according to me. Most people will put it like leadership skills. I have leadership skills or decision making skills. Keep it with you only. No one will ask you. Your leadership skills and all, keep it with you. I have it good decision mix. What are the decisions you make it, Ray, in your life? I like people when they mention the technical, kind of things skills. Now I was scared. What does it mean by the non-technical skills? You are applying for a tech job, okay? I don't want any other things. Strengths, strengths, a pura extra coating here. It's like, kind of you are wearing something extra makeup. It's like wearing something bracelets or kind of things. But we are talking about dress. Strengths are not at all less. That is chat masala, correct? Next, after the skills, most important thing, projects. This is where most of the people fail. Sir, what is your project in your resume? In our college, whatever project we done, we will put that only. You know what is our college projects? No one knows it. Except IEEE papers, IEEE people, no one knows that projects only. My college project is something I even forgot, Ray. That is something with scanners, you know, like handprint scanner, something kind of one. We bought it for 8,000 at that time only. I think most people in the online also bought it. If you did it on your own, happy for you. Thank you. Very good. But I bought it, I'm telling it. So you will have big projects now. Don't do that. That big projects names and all are wrong. They are not good. Put real time projects. Put real time projects. If you are having how many years of gap, put real time projects. How to put real time projects? Now they go. Now comes to the AI. Now comes to the AI part. So take it here. Take it this required skills. Take it this kind of things. Copy this. Now go to a nice kind of AIs. You go to any kind of AIs like the GPT, which is for popular one. Mention, mention, mention interactive projects, interactive, creative projects for resume based on below JD. Based on below job description, it will give you some, it will give you some kind of projects. Now I will mention this project. Sir, what if they want to see this project? No one wants to see your projects. If they want to see your project, na, don't think like ChatGPT is something thinking. No, ChatGPT will check it in internet only. You type it here, you will get already that projects. Dekho. If you want to put it, this project's already available in the GitHub. You go to the GitHub, you download already available project, you keep it in your, you upload into your GitHub again. That's it. You have project. One more time, I'm telling. I am not telling you that. I'm not telling you that. This is over. This is what you will become great. No, I am telling you that if you do this, if you do this, you will get your resume complete. Obviously, you should learn. Without learning anything in Java, I'm not asking you to go and apply. I'm saying it like you know that, but you don't know what to write. In that case, try this. What did I write? Mention interactive creative projects for resume based on below job description. Sorry, I think I did wrong. JS, not JD. JD, and I copy pasted it. What I copy pasted, sir? Whatever the job description. Because per day you are applying five, na? For five once, change the projects. Change the projects. Put different projects. How many projects I have to put? I have to put two projects, and always project name, project highlights, and the technologies. Pakka people will see that. But you know what we will do? We will apply React.js job and we will put in Python project. We will apply Python job and we will put HTML project. And what do you think people will consider, Ray? Online, are you all getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? See, someone is asking what do they ask about the project description, and that is why I told you to read it now. That's why I told you to prepare before. For example, see this, I am writing it about, imagine I am writing it about something called smart task manager. Then I will ask what is the smart task manager and all. I already know Java, I already know Spring Boot, I already know REST API, I already know MySQL, but I don't know what to put it in my resume, so I take it from here. Two projects are enough. So after I put this now, that people will go for it. Are you getting my point, ma? And based on your experience, sir, someone, this is for fresher, देखो, this is for fresher. This is a simple real-time chart applications and all fresher. Sir, I am having so much experience, sir. If you are having the experience, this is not your project. Your project should be so big. In experience है तो बहुत project, बहुत projects रहता. Simple. Pakka. Next one. I did grocery management. So we could buy some groceries today. Nice. Next one, sir. After this, sir, for experience also same. For experience also same. Just to give it something tough projects. Give it something tough projects. Two projects you should mention. Two projects you should mention. Next. Next one. Last one. Do you work on entire projects or just some parts? It's up to you. You may say it like you work on entire project, or you may say it like no, we three people worked and I am the team leader. I take care of all the things. Those people will be impressed by your leadership skills then. Okay, it's just a story, Ray. No one did that project. It's just a story. You are like, okay, are you getting my point? Ma? Everything about a project is a fake. Sim. Only the thing is you have knowledge. For example, tell me, I'm telling you one more thing. I have good knowledge on JavaScript. If someone asks it like I built some kind of great application using JavaScript, I will tell. And they are like, how did you build? I will tell whatever the concepts in JavaScript I know, I will tell. कुछ नहीं होता. If you can't convince the other person, just confuse the person. Simple. Mostly it will work. Now, next one. Next one. Sir, after the projects, if you have, do you all have internship ma online? Do you all have internship ma? For the people who are saying no, don't worry. Just put the internship. Whoever have the internship also, it's just a certificate. Okay. If you go to internet and if you type it something called Canva internship certificate, it will come. You just take it, you just write it whatever the company name you like and put it the signature and download it. Okay. Internship certificates are very simple. Internship certificates will not give, but it is just to make your resume something bigger. Okay. Make it some kind of reliable. Make it something. Don't pick it. See, when you lie something, you should know how to do that. Don't show any kind of real proofs. Don't say it like, no, no, sir, that company is there. You can call that company. That is wrong. Say it like, I worked in that. I did it some kind of, internship. We built some kind of chota one, like for 1 month I did, 2 months I did. This is what the task they give. That's it. Just a simple, reliable story. People will believe you 99%, because internship is not something great considering. Freelancing also you can try, but that one people might not believe. Internship they will believe easily. Okay. Now, next one. In case if you did any courses for Naresh IT one, all the courses you can mention. Sir, believe me, your course certificates will have it like, last preference. Just because you are having course certificate will not be something great. Your course certificate will be good, but not great. Java developer people will mostly Java, they will ask the course certificate. Remaining all they don't ask most of the times, but Java they will ask the course certificate most of the times. I don't know why standard it is like that, but it is there in mostly. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Now, good. Next, where to place cloud certificates or badges? Just give the links if you wanted something kind of one. Okay. Now, last one, templates, sir. Before this, templates. Last one, sir. For templates, I will use something called overleaf. If you wanted to use templates one, you have so many things. I'm not suggesting something is good, something is bad. But as of my research, like what I have done, I was thinking it this one is good. Okay, there was something like good or bad or anything kind of one, but I think it was okay. This one you can try it, sir. In this, it will give you interactive resume format. You can just try a simple resume format. You can get it here. The resumes will be made. Okay, guys, except your photo, don't give any big photos. Very minimal. Try to give it photos. Basically, basically any kind of non-text ones, it will ignore. Photo is for impressing the HR, not for impressing the ATS. ATS will not able to read anything which is not text. ATS cannot read anything which is not text. How to insert link in resume in PDF? You can't insert anything in PDF, Revamsi. Use it in Word document. If you don't know how to insert in Word document and applying for a software job, that I don't know what is it. Photo is binary, na, but still it cannot able to read it. ATS mostly don't read it these things. Take it these things. Sir, any platform to check? I have one platform which is to check the ATS score. Job scan. Job scan will check it mostly. And they will give you real nice suggestions also to make your resume good. Try it, job scan. Any doubts, ma? Now you guys can tell me any kind of questions. Now you guys can tell me. We will have questions, and I will show you the resumes, which is like good formats. I will give you this resumes which are like good formats. See, good name is there, a simple phone number or whatever the things are there. Education details. If you have work experience, else projects or skills. Simple, that's it. Or same thing. If you have experience. If you are a fresher one, instead of experience, you will get your projects or education or skills. Simple. This is how it will go. Now, someone in the mostly people are going with internship, add experience section or project section. Internship will be after the experience. Okay. And someone is like, can I put hobbies and all? Hobbies are just a lima. You know that what is it mean by hobbies, lies, hobbies and weaks and strengths. I don't know why someone will put weakness. No one will put their weaknesses. But what about the strengths? Strengths are like also big lie. Hobbies are like telling books or reading books, something kind of one. Someone is like some people nowadays people are not considering BSc background students, they are considering only BTech MCA. Who said that? Nowadays people are not at all considering their background. Do you know that? There are still some companies who will give job without degree. Do you know that? Mostly US, UK companies don't even check their particular degree completed or not. It doesn't matter. Only for your skill matter, ma. Someone is saying it like they have 3 plus 6 experience as Java developer. Can I use 3 projects? If you are having experience, use it 3 or 4 projects. If you are a fresher, I'm telling it. Any other good platform except Naukri and LinkedIn? Yes, you have it like good platforms which except the Naukri and LinkedIn. But I suggested go to the Naukri, which I always suggest this. Naukri, there is something called Naukri Premium Services. I don't know whether you knew this or not. If you go to Naukri, Naukri will give you something called Premium Services. You can buy the Naukri one. Sir, why you buy? Naukri is free only. I know that. But still, go there. Try to buy it. Try to take it here. See, for example, resume, top resume is one, resume display, kind of these things. If you go these kind of things, na, they will take it like, see, hardly they will take it like per month, 890 rupees. If you ask them, call them and ask them, they will even reduce that. If you take it, this is the problem, ma. If you don't take it premium one, you will be one of the person in the lakhs. Naukri have lots of people, but very few people are paid. So Naukri people will consider them. Naukri people are like, these guys are paid, so let's go with them nicely, kind of thing. So if you are a paid person, you can ask them nicely. Per month, 1,000 is not a big deal for anyone. I know that most people spend it for just biryani, this 1,000 rupees. Okay, mostly for one day, one party. Today evening, most people will spend it that particular, in shopping or something kind of parties, whatever sittings or something. So 890 is not a big deal. Go for 1 month paid. Because if you paid now, you will also have it conscience. You will also like, I am paid, so I should apply every day, something kind of one. If someone give you any service for free, people don't care it. I know that. So try to go for paid one. You will get it really good thing if you paid one. Okay. Naukri only one section to upload resume. How to change it every day? 5 resumes. Every day upload 5 different resume. Every day upload five resumes. Just upload resume. Then again for any another job when you are applying it, delete that and again apply it. That is how it should do. Monster, I don't think I don't know. I have not tried. I have solved over 150 questions on lead code. Where should I mention? On the top. On the top, if you remember, I have shown you something kind of lead code here. Someone is like, I have passed out in 2023. See, this is one of the problem. Everyone, I will tell you one trip. Don't tell to anyone that I told. See this logic. Everyone, see this logic. If you have any career gap, if anyone have career gap, I'm telling very simple trick. But this is not like, good one. It's not like good person suggestion. It's something bad only, but I think you can try it. See, if you are having career gap, no one knows that what you did in that time. In that times, just mention in your resume you worked as a trainer or you worked as a teacher. Because trainer or teaching professions, mostly you will get hand paid. So you, for example, if I have to write it my experience, I'm not telling you to do that in other cases. Only in the desperate cases where you have it like large gap, I'm telling it. I will write my experience as something Java trainer, faculty, faculty in XYZ engineering college. I will say that. Interesting point is when you write it this XYZ engineering college, company will not ask you give the experience certificate. You know why company don't ask? Why? Because Companies don't want your experience if it is not related. Companies will ask experience like only if it is related. Other than the Java things like, see, I am a Python faculty in a college. Some Dabba college will be there na. For example, near my school, some Dabba college is there. I will put that Dabba college Python teacher. I will put Java teacher. D- See, someone in the online is putting it sport coach. That is bad. See, sir. I teach everyone music. That is wrong. You should teach something Java or something kind of one na. I will put it here Java trainer faculty. Then you know what the HR mind will be like? HR will think it like, oh, this guy worked for 2 years as a Java trainer, but this guy is coming for fresher only. Then HR will call me. HR will say it like, no, no, we can't consider your experience. Even though you have 2 years experience, still we will consider you as fresher. Show the experience, but they consider me for job na. Are you getting my point, ma? Ultimately, when you say that I already have that experience, they are not considering. Imagine if the HR ask me, give me any certificate, then I will be like, no. Why? Because they are not considering the experience, so they don't give me any high salary. So why will like a certificate? 90% of and if they ask you, do you have any pay slips and all, say it no. Why? Because my college will give me every month hand salary. Simple. Hand salary. How did you spend it? On hand only I will spend it. कुछ नहीं होता. Why these things will work na? Because no one in the world will know that college. There are some Dabba college in my gar also near to my gar. That Dabba college no one knows it. Even for example, see, if I go out of my gully also people don't know that college. That much big college it is. I'm sure that much big college will be there around you also. Okay, so try to mention it. That will cover your gap. You should not put a gap as a gap. You should fill it up with something relevant. Are you getting my point, ma? But it should be non-trackable. Don't show experience letters or fake things. One thing which I hate from freshers are like they will pay for money for experience certificate. See, I am not showing any experience certificate. I am not faking anything. I am bluffing. This is called bluffing, not faking. Bluffing बोले तो हाँ हमको सब मालूम है ऐसा बोलता. That's it. But I don't show. Faking बोले तो हमको पूरा मालूम है नाम के एक सर्टिफिकेट देता. I will give you one certificate like I know everything. That is wrong. Because people will prove that your certificate is wrong. Are you getting my point, ma? If you have a backlogs, don't mention it. Just go to the job, normally apply the job, say it like if they ask you also, say it like I did not have any backlogs, just to join. Kuch nahi hota. Just to join. Because after you join, after you get your call letter, after like one kind of month or something, 1 2 weeks, then they will ask you certificates. It will take certain time. You can do drama like the certificates will come in next month, 2 months, 1 month scholarship. That this something drama you can make in 1 2 months you can clear your areas and you will get it. Okay, don't lose your opportunities for it. Is it clear, ma? People will not consider your career gap if it is not after degree. For example, I did 10th class in 2010 and 12th class in 2018. Kuch nahi hota. Only after degree gap is there or not there, that only they will consider. If you have 5 years gap, 7 years gap, try this. How to approach HR after applying? It is quite hard to find their contact details. Try LinkedIn. Online everyone. Go to here. I will tell you one trick. Don't tell it like I told anyone. There is something called extensions. Extensions. Go here. If you go here, you can search it here. LinkedIn scrappers. Okay. Email finders for LinkedIn. If you go there, what will happen? If you give your LinkedIn, automatically email will aata. So you give LinkedIn for the HR email will aata. That HR email you will go for, you will send it the emails. There are so many extensions will be there. Just try it nice extension which will give it like from LinkedIn you can scrap them. Mostly companies they will do that. Any extra things to keep in mind for experienced people. Dekho, have it. I'm telling you one more time. If you are a fresher guy, say it like humble. Be so humble. Be so good. Whatever others are say, don't show single attitude also. Not even one thing. Don't show single attitude if you are a fresher guy. If you are something experienced guy, na, just be confident. Be confident. Too confident. Become too confident. Say it like I did this. I did this. That's it. I already have knowledge. People might consider overconfident or something, but freshers mostly seniors have it. చెప్పండి సార్. చెప్పండి సార్. Now, sir, for experience, will they ask education certificates before? Yeah, they do actually. Same for DevOps engineers also, or any other suggestions, because it is tool based. DevOps engineers, the more tools you mention, the more they will impress. Like AWS or Docker, more and more you should mention it. But DevOps are very easy to get the job actually. Current market. I have two experience. Everyone, please mention your comment, ma. The problem is like once I'm getting it one comment, other comments are going up, so I can answer it like one at a time. I have 2 years of experience. On August 2019, resigned my job. Now till now I didn't get job. What should I told HR when asked? Okay, in that case, you say like you take it a long gap. You take it a long gap because of your health issues. Now everything got sorted out. Now you wanted to start your career and you wanted to brush up your skills also. You wanted to start your career into something more better. So you did some course in the middle gap. Then you are applying it. Say in that scenario, it will work. UI or front end developers, both are same. He is one of the from the science field. What about tells her in interview? Don't worry about everyone is from science field only. Okay, we all from science field only. Don't worry. I came from BPC background and did BTech. Okay, so don't even go for it. What extension? Check it in online LinkedIn scrappers. LinkedIn scrappers. Sir, how can I get your upcoming webinars? If you wanted to get all my upcoming webinars, go to YouTube and subscribe to Naresh IT YouTube channel. If you subscribe to Naresh IT YouTube channel, there they will post all my things. Sir, having a 70% of ATS score. ATS score generally each software will have different ATS score. This one only will consider that 80 percentage will be good, 70 is also good. Sir, I have 1 year gap between BSc chemistry and MCA. They will not even care. After MCA, you are fine, na? Nice. My skills are data analyst. How to apply in my passed out year 2023. If you are data analyst, say it like you already did some, apply it with MySQL. You should have a good database knowledge and all. Say it like you had it some kind of experience in the training. That will work. Will they check unloaded resume and real resume at the time of interview? No, don't. They don't. They can't check it. What is the difference? They can't check it. Sir, I have experience in .NET. I'm applying for AWS with DevOps. Should I mention this or not? No. Who will mention that? Don't mention it. If they ask for gap, how to explain after showing certificate? That is what I'm telling now. You should bluff it. Just to bluff it. Someone is like 7 years gap after MCA. I have no experience in IT sector. So how to fill that gap? Mention it. You are trainer. Mention it in your training experience. Training experience. Don't say it like you got trained in Naresh IT. Say it like you worked as a trainer in Naresh IT. Simple. Sir, if I have Python internship certificate, can I mention it in Java resume? Seriously, Sham, you are asking that? Seriously, ma? If you have Python internship, why do we put it in Java certificate, right? Seriously. Sir, they say they will do a big check. How to bluff them? Array. No, they people will say it like they will do check. They can't do big check. For example, let me tell you. If I bluff, if I bluff that I work as a Python developer, a Python trainer in some college. How do they check? Even the college people don't know, Ray. If you go to that college, they can't able to check. Background check, they go. You know how the background checks will happen? Background checks will happen. It like they will whatever the background checking's happening, that company will call you. The company will call you, oh, so you are doing background check on this. Please provide this, that, and all. Background check companies will not check. Mostly MNCs, except some big MNCs, most companies will check background verification with third party companies. There will be some another parties which will do for only background checkings. So you go, that company will call me. We are doing background checking on you, Prasad. Then I'm like, chhod do, we will give you 10,000. Just chup chap. Are you getting my point, ma? If you want it, I'm saying it. Okay. Sir, I am working in infra and I have experience in infra field, but I wanted to switch development. Then don't mention your infra one. I don't. If you have it a huge experience, mention it. If you have chota experience, no need to mention it. Can we mention teacher or trainer in resume? Yes, you can do it. Sir, will it work? It works. It works. If we have HR mail ID, sir, if you have HR mail ID, you should send cover letter. Actually, I explained you only resume. This class is about resume. But HR, if you have HR mail ID, try cover letters. There is something called cover letters for jobs. Try nice cover letter. It will work. Sir, one beautiful question. I expect this kind of question from Abhishek. This is like, please explain about salary negotiation. Thank you, ma. I'm thinking like, who will ask this question? Dekho, if someone asks you salary negotiation, think it like you are the mom who are bargaining some kind of, items. Whatever the price they say, your mom will not go to that price. She is fixed. My mom is fixed. That's it. So she fixed one price and that price only she will buy. Same way, you are also fixed. You should convince. Have you ever did bargainings online? Like simple. If for example, if you if someone said it like 100 rupees, immediately next moment they will ask it for 20 rupees. My mom, simple, 20 rupees only. They are like, no, no, this is so good and all. They are like, no, this is not good, this is not bad, this is like I have seen it 20. Same way, if someone asks salary negotiation, then I will be like, I am Prasad. I have done this course. I have done this much. I have done this experiments. I have no knowledge on these things. Okay. And they are like, no, no, salary we will give only 4 lakhs. Then I'm like, yes, I know that you can give 4 lakhs, but still, these are the basic standards which is happening outside. This is what something, going good. Like I have this many things I did. So according to this, this is the standard which people are expecting. There is no big deal in it. Even I can work for it, but this is what the standard which I feel I would be, deserved. Then people will go for it. It's all about simple bargaining, but experience bargaining works. But freshers, no, I'm not telling about freshers. Experience only bargaining works. I know that. Freshers people don't consider for bargaining. If you are lucky, you will get it. Can we ask more package even after they mentioned it in profile? No, don't do that. That will consider like big red flag. Freshers, I'm sorry for that, but for for freshers, take it or not. Freshers चुपचाप से ले लो. Like in resume, in job description, they will tell you 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. If you know that, it's know that simple. Someone is like, I have 1.11 years of experience. What is that 1 1? Just mention it. It will work. How to use linked radar? That linked radar or something extensions will be there. Those extensions will extract. If you go to there, you can see that extensions, how to use it. Can I put non-IT experience in resume? Don't mention it. That's what I'm telling you. Can I use NareshIT certificate? Yes, you can use it. You can use it, my NareshIT certificate. Rachit. Sir, they ask how much salary do you expect? How to answer this question? As per the industry standards, I have done this courses. I have this much knowledge. I have done this projects, and I am very good. I studied about this company. I fit for this role. As per my knowledge, I am fit for this particular role, and I love to work here. You have to tell all these lies. Okay. When someone asks you how much salary you are expecting, they don't want number. They want it like, why you think that we will give you job? How much fit you are for the job? That is what they are meaning. They are like, they are like classic women. They will give you always hints. They won't give you exact question. They will give you some kind of question and answer is something different. Sir, I'm passed out in 2022. There is 4 years gap. It will work. Just mention it like a teaching experience. Currently, for age MNC certificates are trending. For age, can we use them in resume? Your wish, but I don't think it will work. How much salary we should ask for 2 years? Go for easily 12 lakhs. Good. Thank you, Alma. Thank you. The session is almost, it's like too much. Yeah. Hope you all get it. But still, if I know that most people filled with so many doubts, you can even contact me. You can even come here, like in the Naresh IT and all. Okay. Any kind of problems you have it, like, or any kind of things you have it, you can come to me. And there will be another following sessions also where we can have it. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, Alma.